Hi guys, this is Sadik from Driving.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to downgrade your OnePlus phone from OxygenOS 15 based on Android 15 to OxygenOS 14 based on Android 14. So please take a backup of all the data on your phone and then let's get started. So if you are currently on the latest OxygenOS 15 build and if there are quite a lot of bugs and issue or if the UI and UX are not in sync with your requirement, then in all these cases, your best bet is to downgrade or roll back to the older stable OxygenOS 14 build which was based on Android 14, and in this video I'll show you the official way of doing just that. So please take a backup and then let's get started. So first and foremost, get hold of the downgrade package from these links. I will update this section with more phones and their firmware link as and when they are live. So as of now, these are the files. In my case, I'm using the OnePlus 11 build, and this is the downgrade firmware for the OnePlus 11. Let me show you. It will be always be named in a random manner, but you will see this. This is the code name. In my case, the CPH 2447 is the OnePlus 11 India variant code name. So once you have got the rollback firmware, transfer the firmware onto your phone. Anywhere will do. It's recommended to place in the internal storage, but not inside any folder. Once you have transferred the firmware file onto your phone, let's now get started with the process. So for the EU and India variant, you will first off have to enable the developer option. So for that, go to the settings menu, then go to about device. Now go to version and tap on version number 7 times. You will now get a prompt that you are now a developer. So go back, again go back, go to system and update. And as you could see, developer options are now enabled. Once that is done, you will now have to turn off the Wi-Fi and then go to the app section, then go to app management and select show system. Now search for the software update app and go to its storage usage, tap on clear data, delete, and with this any pending OT update file will be removed from your phone and it will not conflict with the downgrade package. So once you have done that as well, let's get to the downgrade process. So now go to about device, tap on OxygenOS 15 and now tap on the overflow icon at the top right and you should now see local install. So if you hadn't remove the data of the software update, then the local install option might be gray out. Likewise, if the developer option is not enabled, the local install might not be available. So make sure to check mark both these options, and once you have done so, you will now see the local install option. Choose local install and now simply select the rollback firmware from here. In my case, this is the rollback firmware. Select it, and if your phone is currently rooted, you will get an install failed. And apart from that, you will also get this error message. As you could see, that DM Verity is disabled. This will only happen if the bootloader is currently unlocked or if your phone has obtained root. If your phone is not rooted, then the installation will now start and it will not give you any issue whatsoever. But in my case, since my phone is currently obtained root by Magisk, as you could see over here, so if that is the case with you as well, and if you are getting this error message, then it's completely normal and nothing to worry about. Just give me a second, I'll show you how to rectify this issue as well. So you just have to execute a command and it will then get the job done. So just give me a few seconds. So this is the guide. I will link this guide in the description. So if your phone is obtained root via Magisk or the bootloader is currently unlocked, then you will not be able to do a local install. So to rectify the issue, there exist 4 methods, but the third one is the recommended approach. So in this regard, you will first off have to install the Termux app. It's recommended to install the Termux app from the F-Droid because in Play Store the app is not updated for quite some time. So install the Termux app, then launch it. Type in SU and hit enter. You might get a Magisk prompt. Tap on grant, and after that simply type in this command: reset prop. Then give a space ro.boot, then .verity mode. Just a second, it will verity mode and space enforcing and hit the enter key and your task stands complete. Now let's once again try the downgrade process. So let me go to the settings menu and again about device, OxygenOS 15, reselect, choose the OxygenOS 14 firmware, and as you could see, we are not getting any error message and we will now be downgraded to OxygenOS 14. As you could see over here, the version is 14.00831. Tap on install and it will now ask you to backup. In my case, it's already backup, so I'm tapping on my data as backup. And as I've told you initially, since we are doing a downgrade, your data will be erased and your phone will undergo a reset. So make sure you have taken the backup beforehand. Likewise, if your phone has obtained root, the root will be gone as well. If that's all well and good, then tap on my data is backed up, and it will now install the firmware. It will first extract the package. After extracting, it will verify, and after verifying, it will install, and the process will take up to around 15-20 minutes. So let's just wait for that to complete. So guys, the installation is now complete. It took around 15-20 minutes. Once that is done, you will now have to tap on restart now, and your phone will now boot to the OS. It will first verify, or rather optimize all the apps, which will take only a few seconds. Let me show you that process as well. It will show the status in the screen as well of verifying and optimizing apps, and that usually takes only a few seconds. But as you might be aware, our phone has also undergone a reset, and after a reset, the first boot up does take up some time. So if your phone is not booting for 10 to 20 seconds, that is completely normal and nothing to worry about. As of now, it's wiping the data. As you could see, a format data is going on, and once the wipe is complete, you will again have to give it some time for the phone to boot to the OS. So let me have a look at what is the next course of action. It should now optimize the app, and your phone will then automatically boot to the OxygenOS 14. Let me see how much longer does it take. So we are now at the setup screen, and you also have the option to remove the orange state by modifying a file. I guess it's the abl.img file. I have made a video on that as well. You could have a look. As of now, it's the boot animation, so we should now boot to the OxygenOS 14 in a few seconds. Since our phone has undergone a reset, this boot up will be somewhat longer, which is completely normal and nothing to worry about. So let's give it some more time. So guys, with this, we are now inside the OxygenOS 14. Let's quickly set up the ROM and then check out the OS build once again. It will take just a few seconds. I am as of now skipping all the stuff so that the boot up is fast. You may connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, link up your Google account and restore all the data. But for now, I am skipping all of them. So let me accept the terms and conditions. Let's go with the gestures. And with this, we are now inside the OxygenOS 14. Let me show you once as well. So go to the settings menu, and from here you may go to the about device, and as you could see, it's the OxygenOS 14. You may then, if you want, at any point in time to go back to the Android 15 build, then that's quite easy as well. So simply go to my this guide, and from here you may get hold of the required OxygenOS 15 build from here, from my guide. This is for the OnePlus 11. Likewise, we also have for the OnePlus 12 as well, and OnePlus Open. Download the build and just do a local install. I made a guide with the steps and also a video. You may have a look at the video and the steps, and go back to the latest OnePlus OxygenOS 15, Android 15 if required, or you may stay on the Android 14 build. It's completely up to you. So guys, on that note, we round up this video. If you have any queries with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching.